So we're in the 300 block of East 22nd Street doing our citywide smoke alarm sweep. Unfortunately, there was a fire fatality on this particular block. So we have firefighters canvassing the neighborhood, knocking on doors, speaking with residents about fire safety, making sure they have a home evacuation plan, as well as installing free 10-year lithium smoke alarms.
The fire department, who's been very proactive in reaching out to the communities to make sure they have working smoke detectors. And if they don't, they go install them. If nobody's home, they always can call 311. They'll come out and install it. And it's proactive because we always seem to come out and install smoke detectors when there's a fatality.